Howdy y'all, Fuzzy Biker here. Welcome to Throwback Thursday. We are at Baxter Cycle in Marnie, Iowa in the Magic Back Room, and look what they've got out for us today. This is a 1959 Triumph Speed Twin, 500cc, parallel twin, air-cooled. Just an absolutely amazing example of one. It's got the bathtub on the back. Can you see that? Just an absolutely gorgeous machine. Just perfect in literally every single way. Just every detail seems to be just dead on. I'm just absolutely in love with it. I just found it. I don't really know a lot about the motorcycle, so I'm going to tell you what little I do know, and we'll just kind of enjoy the art that it is. Look at those pipes. Offset pea shooters, shocks under here. This is a, open up here, there's the oil tank, complete toolkit still. Isn't that amazing? Battery, I'm assuming a 6-volt. Oh wow, you don't have to pull it out. The Speed Twin sign right there. It's a gorgeous engine, kickstart only of course. Is that an air pump underneath there? Check it out. Just a gorgeous thing, isn't it? Drum brake on the front, telescopic forks, scopic forks. Then a cell right here. That's gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous. Tank, parcel rack on the top, the gray top seat. That rear end is really something else, isn't it? Check that out. Just a gorgeous machine. Looks like a single monoblock carburetor. What did I say? 490cc overhead valve, parallel twin. It's supposed to put out about 27 horsepower in stock form. This thing is just gorgeous. What a piece of art. This is the brake lever right there. Shifter on this side, I'm sure it's a 4-speed. The bike's wet weight was supposed to be 341 pounds. That's about 255 kilograms. I've got it written down. It has a Lucas alternator and it's a battery and coil ignition. I don't know where to see. Look for coils. Isn't that just gorgeous? I mean, look at that. Just a beautiful, beautiful head. I just love the detail. You know, this is art to me. Triumph heart right here. The Kickstarter and the shifter right next to each other. That's the sign of the 500. Air cleaner's under here somewhere. There's a little tube that connects the carb. Looks like a, I don't know what that is. We're going to leave that alone. Just beautifully done. Beautifully done. I'm all monoblock. Look at this chain. I mean, just look at the art right here. Look at that detail. That's a real piece of art from its time, isn't it? I hate to keep using that word, but I don't know what else to say. It's just gorgeous. The chrome wheels with spoke. Oh, look at that. Beautiful badge work. This is a real show winner, my friends. Let's jump up here. Clutch, horn, high-low switch, I'm assuming. Over here, it's the throttle with the brake, and then this is like a friction lock for the accelerator. High, low, and off. Smith gauge right there, chronometric. Look at that, isn't that just gorgeous? Ammeter, of course. I'm assuming this is a steering dampener, I don't know. World Motorcycle Speed Record Holder. Oh, in its day, I suppose, huh? Made in England. Look at those knee pads. You know, they're inset. The tank's inset to accept the knee pads. Beautifully done, beautifully done. Speed Twin on this side again. A little bit of chrome down here on the shocks. Boy, that is, you know, that must have been made to keep the dirt off the passenger and the rider. Just gorgeous. Of course, look at this fender. Speaking of keeping the dirt off the rider, you know, that is a humongous, that is definitely made to keep the spray off of you. Of course, the cams are down here, overhead valves, cams down here, push rod through the center here. Single tube, down tube, cradled frame. I'm assuming it's a lugged frame. It might not be, but yeah, those are lugged. Yep. Beautiful. Look at that. Just gorgeous. Just gorgeous. Nothing on here. Check out the front end there. I love how the tubes are covered. You know, this little detail here. Gorgeous machine. Absolutely gorgeous machine. Alrighty, here's the tag for it. Triumph 1959 AT Speed Twin, 500cc, and there's the price, $18,500. That is just a true beauty, isn't it? Look at that down there. Just every little detail is perfection. Oh, shift indicator. 1, neutral, 2, 3, 4. Of course, kickstart, as we said. The button to open up the seat. Triumph on the rear. Gorgeous, gorgeous. I'm so impressed with this. I like it a lot. Check out this side here. Let's take another look under the seat. The seat has a step in it. I wonder if they came like that originally. A little tiny step right there. Okay, let's pop it here. Little gathering of hand tools. Oh, there's a coil. So it is a coil ignition, battery right there. Oil tank. I don't know what this is. Some sort of rectifier or something like that, maybe. Look at that seat pan. Perfect shape. Watch the button when I push the seat down. Very good. You know, look at this. It says Triumph on here. Triumph on the foot pegs. Triumph on both sides of this foot peg. So well done and so clean. So very clean. Just a beauty. Just an absolute beauty. I like it a lot. Wow. I don't have any more information on you because, like I said, this is a video of opportunity. So other than, you know, the simple things like it's a 490 with 27 horsepower, it's got drum brakes front and rear. I don't know anything else about the bike. Center stand, and that's painted to match the paint. Just a gorgeous machine. Just a gorgeous machine. Hey, if you're interested in something like this or any other vintage British bike of any type, need parts for your project, information, Baxter Cycle here in Marnie, Iowa, they can help you out. BaxterCycle.com. They are the largest vintage British bike parts supplier in North America. If they don't have it, you're going to have a hard time finding it. These guys have got warehouses full of parts. Well, just this one building here, but they've got multiple buildings full of old parts for these beautiful old motorcycles. Now, if the weather's nice where you're at, get yourselves out there and ride, my friends. I'm going to go do the same. Wahoo!